This tool provides a simple way to estimate the economic value of a gas well. It's built on a full economic model, but this dashboard specifically focuses on converting a sales revenue profile into present value. In the top section, we use these controls to define a production profile based on standard Arps decline formulas. The bottom section features the valuation tool, which includes sliders to adjust key inputs and assumptions, a waterfall chart that traces the progression from sales revenue to present value, and a summary table highlighting the main line items. In the bottom right corner, there's a quick snapshot comparing the nominal sales revenue value to the well's present value. Let's start by defining a production profile. We'll set the initial rate of our well to approximately 5 million scaff a day, with an initial decline of 10% monthly effective and a B factor of 0.5. The resulting production profile is shown on the linear scale chart here and on a log scale chart to the right. Based on these inputs, we can see that the 5-year cumulative recovery for this well is about 2.1 billion cubic feet. Let's move on to the valuation panel. We'll start by resetting everything to 0, then progressively adjust one input at a time to observe its impact on the value waterfall chart. When cost inputs, tax and royalties and discounting are all set to 0, we can see on the chart that the initial sales revenue value is equal to the final value, net of costs and discounted to the present. Now let's see how each input assumption affects the results. Let's go back to the top panel and increase the production rate. As expected, a higher production rate leads to higher sales revenue. Similarly, adjusting the gas price up or down has a direct impact on sales. Let's now add some costs, fixed and variable opex, followed by royalties and the income tax rate. The waterfall chart clearly shows how the value cascades from the initial sales revenue down to the final present value. All these numbers are presented and summarized in the table to the right. With this tool, you can quickly observe how sensitive the economic value of the well is to various input assumptions and clearly gauge how your well's capex compares to the discounted value of its future free cash flows. Stay tuned for future updates and for the release and demo of the full economic modeling tool.